Hi my dear students, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. Myself Sandhya from Bharathidhasanar Matric Higher Secondary School going to teach 5th standard maths. First lesson part 3. 5th standard maths first lesson part 3. So what is the first lesson name? The first lesson name is numbers. What is the first lesson name? Numbers. Today we are going to see the part 3. Part 3. Part 3. Okay, what is the lesson name? The first lesson name is numbers. What is the lesson name? The first lesson name is numbers. Today we are going to the first topic is rounding of numbers. We are going to see the first topic is rounding of number. On some occasions, occasions means what? So in Tamil they used to say Sandarpangal. So see the Sandarpangal. We require only a rough estimation and not the exact value. We require only a rough estimation and not the exact value in such cases we are going to see rounding the number nearest to 10, and today's our second topic is rounding the number nearest to 100, and final topic is rounding the number nearest to 1000. Say what is the first one? The first one is rounding the number nearest to 10. The second one is rounding the number nearest to 100, and the final one is rounding the number nearest to 1000. So our first topic is round off to the nearest to 10. Round off to the nearest to 10. Here first you are going to check the ones place value. In this ones place value, 5 before number or 5 after number. 5 before number or 5 after number. 5 before number or 5 after number. So listen my children, the first ones place value is 2. 2 5 before number or after number? Yeah, this is 5 before number. This is what? 5 before number. Why? Because 5, 4, 3, 2. So 5 before number. So take 72. 72 becomes this is 5 before number. So replace ones place value as 0. So why? Because the question is rounding the number nearest to 10. So nearest to 10 means we need to put only 1 0. So this is before number. Before the 10th place value is 7. So simply write the answer 7. So 72 becomes 70. 72 becomes 70. The next example is 7395. 7395. So what is the first step? The first step is you are going to check the ones place value. In this ones place value, 5 before number or 5 after number. But exactly we have 5. Okay. So you should write 7395. 7395 becomes. So you should use round up to. So the question is round off to the nearest to 10. So nearest to 10 means we need to put only 1 0. That is the ones place value you should replace 1 0. In that 10's place value you should add 1 or increase 1. So 9 in the mind, 1 in the finger. What is the answer? The answer is 10. So what is the answer? The answer is 10. 0 carry 1. 3 plus 1, the answer is 4. So before having the number is 7. So take the answer 7400. 7400. So listen children, the topic is round off to the nearest to 10. Round off to the nearest to 10. First step is you are going to check the ones place value. In that ones place value, 5 before number or 5 after number. 5 before number or 5 after number. Exactly 5 means that is after value only. Okay. Our next topic is rounding the number nearest to 100. Rounding the number nearest to 100. In this place you are going to check the 10th place value. In this sum you are going to check the 10th place value. In this 10th place value, 5 before number or 5 after number. 5 before number or 5 after number. 5 before number or 5 after number. Tell me Krish, 5 before number or 5 after number? Yeah, very good my dear. This is 5 before number. This is what? 5 before number. So, take 246. 246 becomes 246 becomes here in this ones and tens place value you should put 2 zeros. Okay, 0, 0 and then 100 place value simply write the 2. Why? Because this is 5 before number. Why? Because this is 5 before number. So, the answer 246 becomes 200. 246 becomes 200. Next, you are going to check the another example. 47,672. 47,672. Here, you are going to check the 10th place value. In this 10th place value, 5 before number or 5 after number. 5 before number or 5 after number. So, here listen 7. 7 is the 5 after number. 7 is the 5 after number. So, in this 100 place, you should increase 1 or add 1. 6 plus 1. So, listen my children. 47,672. 47,672 becomes 47,672 becomes, so what is this? This is rounding the number nearest to 100. So, nearest to 100 means simply add 2 zeros. Now, we are going to check the 10th place value. In this 10th place value, 5 before number or 5 after number. This is 5 after number. So, in 100 place value, we should increase 1 or add 1. So, 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1. What is the answer? The answer is 7. So, take 7 and before we have 7 and before we have 4. So, 47,672 nearest to 100 is 47,700. 47,700. Before topic is rounding the number nearest to 10. There you should check the ones place value. In that ones place value, 5 before number or 5 after number. Here the topic is rounding the number nearest to 100. Rounding the number nearest to 100. In this topic also you are going to check the 10th place value. In that 10th place value, 5 before number or 5 after number. 5 before number or 5 after number. So, nearest to 100 means in answer you should put 2 zeros. Nearest to 10 means in answer you should put only 1 zero. Right? So, our next topic is round off to the nearest to 1000. Round off to the nearest to 1000. So, here you are going to check the ones, tens, 100 place value. Here you are going to check the 100 place value. In that 100 place value, 5 before number or 5 after number. That 100 place value, 5 before number or 5 after number. Tell me Roshan, 4, 5 before number or 5 after number? Yeah, very good my dear. This is 5 before number. So, take the question. 3,419 becomes 3,419 becomes. So, insert 3 zeros. Why? Because the question is rounding the number nearest to 1000. So, add 3 zeros 1, 2, 3. Now, we are going to check the 100th place value. In this 100 place value, 5 before number. So, don't do any changes, simply write the before 1000 value 3. So, 3,419 becomes 3000. 3,419 becomes 3000. The next one more example is there. Listen, 79,992. 79,992. So, what is the first step? Yeah, the first step is you are going to check the 100 place value. You are going to check the 100 place value. In this 100 place value, what is the values there? The value is 9. In this 9, 5 before number or 5 after number? 5 after number. So, you should increase 1 from 1000 place value or add 1. Take 79,992. 79,992 becomes 79,992 becomes in answer. So, insert 3 zeros 1, 2, 3. Now, we are going to check the 100 place value. In this 100 place value, 5 before number or 5 after number. Here listen children, 9 is the 5 after number. So, replace 1000 place value, add 1 or increase 1. So, take this 9 in the mind, 1 in the finger. So what is the answer? 9 after 10. So 0 carry 1. 7 plus 1, the answer is 8. 7 plus 1, the answer is 8. So 79,992 becomes 80,000. 79,992 becomes 80,000. So this topic is rounding the number nearest to 1000. In before we saw rounding the number nearest to 10, rounding the number nearest to 100 and rounding the number nearest to 2000. So in first topic you are going to check the ones place value. In that ones place value 5 before number or 5 after number. So before number means don't do any changes, after number means increase 1. Okay, increase 1. The next one is rounding the number nearest to 100. There you are going to check the 10th place value. In that 10th place value 5 before number or 5 after number. Likewise rounding the number nearest to 2000. Here you are going to check the 100 place value. In this 100 place value 5 before number or 5 after number. 5 before number or 5 after number. So our next topic is round of 43, 98, 236 to the nearest to 10. Round of 43, 98, 236. Round of 43, 98, 236 to the nearest to 10. After rounding off, add them. After rounding off, add them. Round the sum to the nearest to 10. Round the sum to the add the number. Then you are getting the answer. In that answer you should use the nearest to 10. Nearest to 10. So first you should take 43. 43. Solution. Take 43. So 43 nearest to 10. So take 43 becomes 43 becomes. So nearest to 10 means we are going to check the ones place value. In this ones place value 5 before number or 5 after number. Tell me Roshan, 5 before number or 5 after number? This is 5 before number. So 43 nearest to 10, the answer is 40. 43 nearest to 10, the answer is 40. Next we are going to check the 98. 98 becomes. 98 becomes. So now we are going to check the ones place value. In this ones place value 5 before number or 5 after number. 8 5 before number or after number? 8 is 5 after number. 8 is 5 after number. So in that tens place value you should add 1. Okay. So write 1 0. 9 plus 1, what is the answer? The answer is 10. Take 100. Okay, so 98 nearest to 10, the answer is 100. Next we will take the 236. 236. So take 236 becomes. 236 becomes. Here tell me Savita, ones place value 5 before number or after number? Yeah, this is 5 after number. So you should change 10th place value, add 1 or increase 1. Okay. So the answer is 240. 240. So listen. Round of 43, 98, 236 to the nearest to 10. After rounding, add them. After rounding, add them. Now we are going to add this. Take 40 plus 100 plus 240. 40 plus 100 plus 240. So take 40 and 100. First you are going to arrange the ones place value. Okay, what is the ones place value here? The ones place value is 0. So write 0. Again the 10th place value is 0. Write 0. And finally 100 place value is 1. Now add ones place value. Okay, 0 in the mind, 0 in the finger. What is the answer? The answer is 0. Next you will take 4 in the mind, 0 in the finger. So you are getting the same answer, 4. Take 1. Next finally you have 240. Finally you have 240. So take the ones place value 0 and the 10th place value is 4 and the 100 place value is 2. Okay, now we are going to add this. 0 in the mind, 0 in the finger. What is the answer? The answer is 0. Take 0. Next 4 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. So write 8 here. Finally 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 1 after 2, 3. So the answer is 380. The answer is 380. Listen the question. Add them and round off the sum to the nearest to 10. So take 380. So 380 nearest to 10. 380 nearest to 10. Okay. Answer. Nearest to 10. The answer is 400. What is the answer? The answer is 400. So our final question is, a 3-digit number was rounded off to the nearest to 10 and the result was 320. So what is the result? The result was 320. Find the interval of the original number. Find the interval of the original number. So first we are going to find the solution. Take the number 310 onwards. Take the number 310 onwards. Take 310. So what is the next number? 311. So tell me Namani Moran, next number, what is the next number? 312. Next 313. 314. And next number is 315. The next number is 316. So what is the next number? The next number is 317. Take 317. The next number is 318. So what is the next number? The next number is 319. The next number is 320. Actually the question is round off to the result 320. Just you write the 3 up to 330. So before 10, after 10. Okay. So take 321. 321. 322. The next number is 323. 324. So what is the next number? The next number is 325. Up to 330 you must write. 326. 327. The next number is 328. The next number is 329. The final number is 330. The final number is 330. So listen children, a 3-digit number was rounded off to the nearest to 10 and the result was 320. First you will take 311. So the 311 nearest to 10, 310. Next you will take 312. 312, the nearest to 10 value is 310. Next you will take 313. 313 nearest to 10, the value is 310. So next you take 314. 314 nearest to 10, the answer is 310. So finally you will take 315. So 315, 316, 317, 318, 319, 320. So in this 315, 16, 17, 18, 19, these all are nearest to 10, the value is 320. Next you will take 321, 322, 323, 324, 324. So here too the value nearest to 10 is 320. So if you are taking 325 means that is nearest to 10, the value is 330. So don't take the values 325, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, so the final answer is 315, 316, 315, 360, and what is the next number? 317. The next number is 318. And the next number is 319. So actually the question is rounding the number nearest to 320. So 320 and put the circle. And the next number is 321, 322. So and what is the next number? 323, 324. Okay children. So the rounding the number nearest to 10 value 315, 16, 17, 18, 19, 321, 22, 23, 24. 321, 22, 23 and 324. Yeah, thank you my children. In this section you have learned rounding the number nearest to 10, rounding the number nearest to 100 and rounding the number nearest to 2000, that related to statement problems. I hope everyone enjoyed this section. In this below description we have attached study material, question bank, self-assessment work. My dear students, you should do the self-assessment work again and again. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you.
I am Yuvarani from plus 2. I am Sandhya from plus 2. We are participated in state level beach volleyball competition held at Thuthukudi.